If a dream is what you're asking Santa for this year, make sure you get your financing in line first. And with the ever-changing market, it's very important to talk to the experts to get the best interest rate possible. This is Brent Ivinson of Ideal Home Loans, and he's here to tell you how they can help you get a personalized mortgage loan. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
So how are you helping our viewers this holiday season? A lot of good stuff going on.
Well, absolutely. You know, it's a very busy time of year and a very expensive time of year. So, you know, most households spend over $2,000 during the holidays, so it's not cheap.
No.
If you start the process with us right now, we can close your loan quickly since we are a direct lender lending our own money, and that means no payments on your new loan until March. So no payments during the holidays, and as those holiday bills are rolling in, a little break then too.
That's right. We talked about the experts. It's important to talk to people like you, because last week interest rates moved up a little bit. Who should be calling you right now?
You know, anybody who hasn't taken advantage of rates. And here's the other thing. If you're someone with credit card debt, if you're somebody with mortgage insurance, if you're somebody that's going to be in your home long term, we can help you out. There's a lot of solutions where we can truly get your mortgage working for you, rather than you just simply working to make that mortgage payment every month.
Right. You guys have something unique, your custom term mortgage. What is that?
We do. You know, so many people have avoided taking advantage of the record low rates we've been seeing because they don't want to start over on a new loan. You know, they might be 6 years into a loan and they don't want to go back out to a 30, and they can't afford to go to a 20 either. So that's really where this came to be. This was kind of out of necessity to serve our clients. So gone are the days where you have to pick from a 30, a 25, a 20, or a 15-year loan. You can pick your term. We can set it up and customize it for your individual situation. And what you're going to find, you get the benefit of rates and lower monthly payments, but you still stay on track to pay your house.
So a lot of people may not understand what a lending advisor does. How can a lending advisor help us make our home work for us?
Well, the thing you're going to find when you talk to our lending advisors is the first thing they're going to ask you is what it is you're trying to accomplish. And I think a lot of people are really taken back by that because they're used to talking to a mortgage professional who just says, well, here's what you need to do. If we have a really sound understanding of your short-term and your long-term goals, we can then truly customize a mortgage for you that has your mortgage working for you rather than you working for your home loan. So there's a lot we can do. It's a really valuable financial planning tool, but it has to be used the right way, and we have to understand what it is you, the consumer, are trying to do.
And you were talking just a few minutes ago about that 15 or 20-year mortgage. Why should we be considering that right now?
You know, if you're going to be in your home long-term, by going to a shorter-term mortgage, you will save yourself 6 figures in payments and interest. So it's a ton of money, a very significant amount of money. And here's the great thing. Going to a shorter term mortgage doesn't mean your payment is going to double. And a lot of people think that. We get that all the time, that, hey, well, if I go from a 30 to a 15, my payment's going to double. That's not the case, and the reason being, interest rates are so much lower on these shorter term mortgages, and you're paying so much less in interest that you really get ahead more quickly, and you don't spend nearly as much as you would think.
So how can we optimize our credit when it comes to our home loan?
There's some small things that we can do, and here's the thing. I'm not talking months and thousands of dollars. The last person we helped, it was a couple of $100, a couple of days, and we made a $46 difference in their payment. So we were able to lower their payment another 40. Yeah, and it's something we do.
$50, and we'll take it.
$50 is $50, and it's free of charge, and it doesn't take long, and it's not a lot of brain damage.
And they were probably like, wait a minute, you got me money back?
Yeah, right.
I thought that was supposed to happen. So what is keeping people, of course, kind of sitting right now?
Well, you know, a lot of people feel that the costs will outweigh the benefit, and they're really surprised to find with us that your typical break even is a handful of months, and you're putting real net dollars back in your pocket. This is not a process where you need to be in your home for years for this to make sense. It's a short period of time. We'll run the break even for you and show you exactly how long you need to be.
So tell us quickly about your home purchase plan.
It's an all-encompassing roadmap to buying your next home. What I will tell you, if you're going to buy, a little planning goes a very, very long way in the home buying process.
That's right, and a 3-week closing guarantee.
Yes, absolutely.
That's really, you got my attention right there, 3 weeks. A lot of people want to hear that. Great advice.
Yeah,
you always just fill us with ideal information. Of course, Ideal Home Loans has a special offer for all of you this morning, our Sonoran Living viewers. Give them a call today for a free consultation and put your first payment, listen to this, it's not going to be due until March. The number to call, 602-899-7000. You can visit them online as well, idealhomeloans.com.